A bit of an accident on the boat. Swelling up now.
Drone.
Drone.
Flew into my face.
The drone flew into his face. Oh, God's sake. What happened then, Luke?
It's hurting.
Well, issues with the drone. It wasn't working properly, so we tried it below deck. And it took off and went straight into his face. It got nasty. Could have been really nasty, that in his eye. Might have a bit of a black eye coming in as well. God's sake. You and those bloody drones. I thought it might need stitches, but it's okay. There's a little bit of a scar there.